Hey there mga may loves, Capricorn, thank you so much for always staying here with me in this channel po. So yun nga, no, bago natin simulan ng reading to for you guys, reminders muna tayo na hindi po lahat kayo ay makaka-resonate, kaya naman piliin mo lamang yung mga mensahe na sa tingin mo ay for you. At kung feel mo na ang reading na to ay para sa'yo, then this reading might really for you. And of course, wala tayong gender here, babae, lalaki, LGBT cross-watchers, you're all welcome here mga babes. Just take how this resonates and please apply this into your own unique situation. Kaya naman, yan o, alamin natin kung ano ba to, no? How does this person views you, Capricorn? And how do you view this person here? What is the mutual connection or mutual situation, energies ninyo at blockage and possible outcome? So let's go ahead and check out. Okay, this is for Capricorn. Let's get this one, no? Tingnan natin. So we have here the Queen of Pentacles energy. So, this could be you or this could be the energy here of the person that you're dealing with, no? Pwedeng magkatrabaho kayo, no? Or business partners, or maaring nagkakilala or magkakakilala kayo, no? Related to money or finances right here, no? So, nakikita ko rito, no, that you are, or this person here, okay? You can flip roles if you want, no? Mamaya alamin rin natin yan. Pero meron dito, no, sa inyo, isa sa inyo, no, na maalaga, no, very stay put, grounded, no, pagdating sa desisyon, no, very caring, very loving, no, at hindi ko nakikita na magloloko sa isang connection. So, this could be you, or this could be the person here who is giving the vibe of faithful. Yeah, so let's go ahead and check out. Let's shuffle this one. Maybe added message yun. So, let's see. Spirit and Angel, guys. Archangel Michael, thank you so much. Can you please show me how does this person views my Capricorn people, please? Paano nakikita ng taong ito ang aking Capricorn people here? How does this person views my Capricorn people? What about Capricorn? How does this person views this person here? This could be the person here you're connecting or dealing with, or connecting sa inyo energetically or specifically. Let's see. What is the mutual connection? Mutual energies coming from both sides. What is the possible challenge or possible blockage or issue na pumapagitna sa sitwasyon na to between Capricorn and this person here? Possible outcome, please. Possible outcome. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out messages for you, Capricorn. Okay, so this person is viewing you, Capricorn, as the Ten of Cups energy. Wow! Masaya siya sa'yo at nakikita niya yung future niya here, building a home, sharing a home with you, not just a house, but a home. Di ba yung house is just a structure, okay? Bahay, no? Na gawa, no, ng hollow blocks, ng mga bakal, matitibay na pundasyon, no? Ng simento and everything, no? We're talking about that house, no? Materially, no? Pero this person here is seeing you as a home. When you see a home, okay, ibig sabihin there's warmth in there. There's family, this person wants children or child with you, making you his or her future spouse, his or her wife, his or her husband here. So yeah, definitely this person here wants marriage and happily ever after with you. So kung kayo ay wala pang connection or relationship, of course, this person wants this higher level of commitment kasi nakikita ka niya as part of his or her future. Like this person will be emotionally available to you and this person sees happily ever after, may forever daw sa inyo. Yan, ganyan kanya nakikita sa ibig sabihin, no? Itong person na to, no, ay in love or mai-in love pa lamang sa inyo kasi yung iba pwedeng ito ay wala pa kayong relationship but this person wants something deep. It's like such as this, no, like this Ten of Cups energy. So this person here willing siya, no, na magtrabaho, mag-sacrifice ng effort, nag-sacrifice ng action, effort, no, sa kanyang trabaho para mabigyan kanya rito ng magandang buhay. Yan, no, parang kaya niyang gawin lahat, no, inspired siyang gawin lahat, no, lalo na kung ikaw rin naman yung naghihintay para sa kanya na makakasama niya dun sa tinatawag na forever. So, yung mga babes, no, maalog dito, nasa kalsada kasi tayo eh. Ba't ka sa kalsada nag-reading? Bakit masama? Charos. So, yun nga mga babes, hindi kasi pantay yung mesa dito. So, yun nga, no. Tuloy na natin tong reading na ito. Hawakan ko na lang yun. Kaya nga kagaling yung kamay ko. So, yun, no. This person is viewing you as like, a super match na parang match made in heaven para sa kanya. Capricorn. Yan, no? Like this person here, no? Gusto kanya pakasalan if hindi pa kayo kinakasal. Gusto kanya maging ina ng kanyang mga magiging anak kung siya naman, no, ay patayong gender dito, no? Kung siya ay lalaki, no, or embodying this divine masculine, no? Gusto kanya maging divine feminine right here. And if this person here is a woman or babae siya, no, this person wants, okay, you to be his or her future husband, yan, no, haligin ng tahanan kind of thing. And okay, LGBTQs, of course, mga mahal, welcome rin kayo rito, no, basta gusto kanya maging kasama dun sa tinatawag na journey to forever, like ikaw lang zapat, no. Vevemo underscore 0333. Yan. Baka nakita kayo na 0333 na gusto niya ng balance sa connection na ito. So, tingnan natin, no? Paano mo binubyo itong person na to, Capricorn? So, you're viewing this person as the Five of Cups energy. Let's take a look at, okay, what's the blockage in this type of connection? Yeah. So, sa nakikita ko rito, no, mga babes, no, you're viewing this person as the Five of Cups energy. So, it looks like, mga babes, no, nakikita mo siya dito. Actually, this is not your ex. Let's be clear to that, no. Kaya mo siya nakikita as Five of Cups energy right here, no. Kasi parang, ayaw mo yung feeling na parang super clingy or super pabebe or super kanya rito parang binibaby, yan, no? If this is you, no, na parang hindi naman sa irritable ka, parang siguro, hindi naman sa nagkasawa ka sa kanya, parang ko ba explain? Ayaw mo lang siguro yung masyadong showy or parang ayaw mo lang siguro yung masyadong sweet, no? Which is, I do feel like, no, na parang ganun kasi siya sa'yo. Like, this person is very expressive when it comes to his or her emotions for you guys, no? To the point na parang feeling mo rito, parang hindi naman sa ayaw mo yon, kaya lang parang para sa'yo, parang it's too much, parang hindi ko naman rin masabi or makategorize na PDA. Paano ko ba explain to? Siguro ikaw yung klase ng individual na gusto mo yung sweet, pero ayaw mo lang ng too much. Maybe may part na parang feeling mo, nagiging over siyang caring for you to the point na parang nagiging kang baby rito, no? Siguro meron rin dito mga babes, no? Kasi when we say Five of Cups, no, sometimes gusto nitong mapag-isa eh. Sometimes, alam mo yun, na sometimes you are in this type of energy na parang pwede ko bang mahingi yung sarili kong privacy? Yan, no? So, maybe this person here, dahil sobra siyang connected sa'yo, like, in a super deep level, because Ten of Cups na itong pinag-uusapan natin na to, no? Either wala pa kayong connection, kasi ito yung mutual energy ninyo, I mean, no? This is not a blockage. Ang blockage is ito pa lang, no? Okay, stand corrected. This is the mutual energy. May connection sa inyo sa baka boyfriend or girlfriend mo na siya, no? Or kung hindi pa, pupunta na kayo doon sa exciting part. Or baka sa iba sa inyo, asawa niyo na yan. No? Pero yun nga, no? Parang ayaw niyo yung masyado siyang clingy sa'yo. Yan, no? Or ayaw mo yung parang tawag siya na tawag sa'yo, no, mayat-maya, no, nagkatrabaho ka, no, maaring may ganong parte, no. Hindi ko nakikita na mabilis na maubos yung pasensya mo. Or ikaw yung klase ng tao dito no, na magagalitin. Hindi ganun eh. Pero kapag nag-focus ka kasi sa trabaho or mayroon kang ginagawa, especially pag may deadline or may pressure dun sa ginagawa mo, baka may schedule yun. Okay? Yun yung parang ayaw mo. Parang ano ba naman yan? Mamaya na kasi. Ano, mamaya ka na kasi tumawag. nagawa nga ako dito eh, pinagalitan nga ako ni boss eh. May ganun ako nakukuha rito. So parang ito kayo, may connection kayo, okay na. No, papunta na kayo dun sa exciting part kung wala pa kayong label niyan. At yung iba pwedeng jowaers nyo na yan or asawa nyo na. Na nakikita ko no na parang sometimes feeling mo it's out of place. Parang wala sa lugar, no. Alam mo kasi, ito kasing Ten of Cups na to. May tendency kasi yan, mga babes, no? Itong person na to, kung sino tong kakonect nyo, may tendency kasi yan na mag-jelly-jelly. Ano, ang jelly-jelly mismo. Maging seloso or selosa. Okay? At meron talagang times na talagang mawawala sila dun sa track. No? Like literally, it's already off doon. No? Like literally, kahit wala naman ng something na dapat na parang itanong dun sa bagay na yun, no? Kasi katrabaho mo lang naman yun or alam niya naman yun, parang may part talaga na magsiselo siya. And hindi yun yung, eto diretsahin ko kayo, hindi yun yung normal kasi etong tao na to, no, if this is your reading, na-try nyo na rin to noon, no? Akala mo kasi parang biro-biro lang na nagsaselo siya. May ganun kasing lambing-lambing, diba? Pero yun pala, nainis siya sa'yo kasi ganito. Yan, no? Example, nagpa-picture ka kasama yung buong office ninyo or lunch out lang, no? Grupo naman kayo ron, pero super may katabi ka dun, no? Na parang inisip niya agad na ganito, ganyan, no? Na pwedeng dinaan niya sa joke na parang, sino to? Baka pinagpalit mo na ako, ha? Ganyan. No? Pero yung akala mo, ano ba? Pinagsasabi mo dyan, no? Akala mo, joke-joke niya lang yun, nalambing-lambing niya lang na jelly-jelly siya. Pero yun pala, nagtampo talaga siya sa'yo. Like, literally, maya-maya, hindi ka na niya kinausap. Na parang yun yung ayaw mo. Okay? Yung, yung energy mo, ganun yung nababasa ko sa'yo. Parang, baka ba naman, ngayon ka pa mag-iinante, dami-dami ka pang gagawin. Ang dami-dami ka pang hahabulin schedule dito. Naku naman, ba naman yun? Huwag ba tayo mag-usap? Mamaya na. Yan, no. Kasi parang pag nagpo-focus ka, parang hindi naman sa hindi kanya naiintindihan. Kaya lang kasi, this person has the tendency of too much like kanya kasi. And when too much is, being put in a jar, hindi maganda. 'Di ba? Kasi may tendency umapaw. At lahat ng sobra ay masama. Yan. No? So, I think yun yung dapat ninyong pag-usapan. Madali lang naman yan pag-usapan. Okay? Communication, open it sa isa't isa. No? Parang, mahal, pwede bang ganito? Kailangan. Kasi nakita ko may connection eh. May ano kayo eh. May soul kayo eh. May soul connection kayo dito eh. Maiintindihan ka niya, maiintindihan mo siya. Kaya lang kasi this person here, hindi kasi kayo parehas. Siya kasi parang kaya niyang mga babes, no, wag gawin yung mga bagay sa paligid niya. Hindi dahil siya yung sobra-sobra nagmamahal sa'yo, pero ganun na rin yun. 'Di ba? Hindi ko naman sinasabing kulang ang pagmamahal mo sa kanya, no? At ano, ang nakikita ko lamang dito, no, is ikaw kasi kaya mo rito parang wag mo nang, kumbaga parang isang tabi mo muna ito, iunahin mo muna yung dapat i-prioritize, lalo na kung it's a call of the job yan, no. Siya kasi kaya niya yung pagsabay-sabayin. Well, not everybody is pare-pareho, Capricorn, 'di ba? So, ibig sabihin, yung bagay na naiintindihan at paniniwalaan mo, pwedeng yun yung hindi niya pinaniniwalaan. You know what I mean? 'Di ba? So, whatever the case may be, mapag-uusapan naman to. Kasi hindi ko naman siya nakikita may problem siya sa mental health, la naman. Pero yung sobra kanyang gusto, yun yung nagiging problema rin as well. Kasi sobra-sobra kanyang gusto, na parang gusto kanyang, alam mo, parang isang mini na cute na keychain na gusto niyang ipasok lang sa bulusan niya. Dahil sobrang like ka niya. Yan, no? Pero yun nga, too much is enough. Pero here, communication is the key to understanding. And the blockage in this type of connection is the Hierophant. See, there's a lot of love. There's a lot of love in this type of connection, no? Medyo nakakainis lang talaga, no? May mga bagay lang kasi na hindi kayo nagkakaintindihan at nagkakaunawaan. Iba yung pag-express niya ng love and affection for you. At ikaw, iba naman din yung pag-express mo ng love and affection sa kanya. But there's definitely, okay, high potential of this relationship to grow. Yan, no? Nakikita ka niya kasi as forever niya rito, and ikaw ganun din naman. Both of you is having this kind. Pero yun nga, the Hierophant right here is that, I think, okay, this person here has to have that balance, to trust the love, to trust that heart of yours, na siya lang naman ang mahal mo at walang iba. It's a matter of control. Yan, no? Ito kung hindi pa kayo kasal, tingin ko yung blockage rito has something to do with yung iba. Pwedeng hindi pa kayo makapag-desisyon right now, especially kung may naasikaso pa kayo mga trabaho or ibang mga um, dinideal ninyo sa inyong personal life, including work or business, no? Or may iba pa kayong inaasikaso, no? Parang hindi pa kayo makauo sa kanya kung ito man ay proposal or marriage. Okay? Pero definitely, you're seeing this person here as someone na may potential talaga kasi mahal mo eh. Yung iba, nafo-fall na rin kayo sa kanya. Definitely, yes. Pero dito, no, nakikita ko rito that if this is already in relationship with you or in a committed relationship with you, this person, kailangan niya siguro rito na magtiwala, no, sa inyo ritong samahan more than this marriage contract, more than this love right here. Kasi kailangan yun. Hindi lang dapat love, kundi kailangan may trust rin. Hindi ko sinasabing naghihinala siya na na ipagpapalit mo siya sa iba ha. It's just that this person here has this fear of losing you. Kasi sobra kanyang gusto, sobra kanyang mahal. That's the energy. And the outcome of this one is this. It's that talk, Page of Wands energy, talking about emotions and feelings to heal something, star. See? This partnership for others of you, maaring mas bata to sa inyo. Or baliktarin nyo na lang, maaring kayo yung mas bata, no? Pero kayo yung mas nakakaintindi. Okay, when it comes to work, work lang muna. At gusto mo parang wag ka munang storbohin, lalo na kung ikaw ay napagalitan. It's all about this emotional communication, heart-to-heart talk. Mag-usap kayo, no? Yan, no? Meron dito future na outcome nito is this Page of Wands energy and the star. You're gonna talk opening up your emotions and feelings for each other. And it will bring healing with the star right here. See? You're moving forward into calmer water. So, ibig sabihin, mapapabuti ang connection na ito, no? At mas magpapaganda at may aayos rito. Mas maganda talaga, no, na yung love ay may kasamang tiwala. At mas maganda, no, kung kayo ay magsasama rito, no, ng, alam mo yun, balanse lang, no, sa relationship na ito. So, yeah, definitely Capricorn, ito ang nakuha nating mensahe for you guys, no, ganun talaga, yan, no, at hindi ko alam kung ba't ko nakuha na maaaring ito is yung first boyfriend or first girlfriend or first love mo na nakatuluyan mo rin, kind of thing, maybe maaaring merong viewers dito, no, na ganun, specifically, pero minention natin, kasi maaaring may nanonood dito ng specific viewer, but in general, ito yung nakukuha kong mga mensahe for you guys. Okay, so thank you so much Capricorn sa love and light. And yeah.